Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can use voice threads on Instagram thread app. You can post voice message on your thread account by using your thread app. For that, just open your thread app on your mobile phone and click on this what's new. Here you normally post anything, any video or any picture, but you can post voice thread or voice note on Instagram thread. For that, here you can see at the fourth position there is a mic option. Click on this mic option. When you click on this, just again click on this red button, and here you can see your voice has been recorded. Now just simply click on this done option, and here you can see your voice has been recorded with your English translation or your language translation. Now just simply click on this post option and your voice will be posted, and your voice text also be written automatically on your post.